Hi friends, I am Gokul and you are watching Kazima's Explain. Now we are seeing engine test of Merlin Abrasitive from the creators of SpaceX, which is founded and funded by Elon Musk. It will run around 1 minute 10 seconds. It is a very powerful engine. We have released a Falcon 9 engine test before. You can check it in the description or at the top. And now it goes off. It's a very powerful engine. And friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, a sub to the channel would be tremendous. And like, share and comment too.